Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Honda Fit. First, gather your supplies. About 4 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, and a funnel. You'll also need a 17mm wrench for the drain plug and an oil filter wrench. Make sure your Honda Fit is on a level surface and the engine has cooled down for at least 30 minutes. This ensures safety and prevents burns. Now let's drain the old oil. Slide your drain pan under the car directly beneath the oil pan. Locate the 17mm drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let all the old oil drain completely into the pan, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely. Next, locate the old oil filter, usually near the front of the engine. Unscrew it carefully, as some oil may still drip out. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn with your wrench. Finally, use a funnel to add about 3.5 to 3.8 quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic oil. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the oil. Then, turn it off and wait about 5 minutes for the oil to settle. Check the oil level using the dipstick, ensuring it's between the minimum and maximum marks. Top off if needed. Also, visually inspect the drain plug and oil filter for any leaks. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly at a local auto parts store or recycling center. And hey, for staying hydrated on the go, check out the Owala water bottle link and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.